Okay, my first recommendation here is to factor the denominators. And let me put that down for you. And you know, I always say one step at a time. So I'm going to put x plus 2. I can put factor symbols on that. And at the bottom, what do you get? You get x and x, and 2 and 1. It's minus 2 plus 1. Relatively simple. Plus x plus 1. And at the bottom, you get x plus 2, x minus 2. Right, what do you get on the right side? You get 1 over x plus 1. Now, I want to write down what x can't be. X cannot be. Well, it can't be minus 1. It can't be 2, and it can't be minus 2. You may wonder where that's coming from. The denominators, I know it can't be that. All right, otherwise the denominators would be 0. The next thing to do is write the LCD down. And what's the LCD? Well, it's going to be x plus 1, x plus 2, and x minus 2. They're the factors I see in the denominator. And at most they occur, each one of those factors at most occurs once in any one of the denominators. What am I going to do now is multiply every term by that LCD. Again, this is the LCD. I'm going to multiply the first term by the LCD. And what would happen, you know, something nice happens. The x plus 1 disappears, and the x minus 2 disappears. So what are you left off with? X plus 2 times x plus 2. Let's do the next term. And I'm looking at that. I get my eraser out. I'm going to erase these dots over here. And I'm looking at the multiplication of this second term by that LCD. And what disappears there? Well, it's going to be the x plus 2, x minus 2. What are you left off with? X plus 1 times x plus 1. Okay, let's go to the right side. I'm going to erase these dots here. Question is, what disappears there when I multiply that term, this term over here, by the LCD? Only one factor disappears. It's x plus 1. So what are you left off with? X plus 2, x minus 2. Or at least pretty awful. I'm going to go through it. What do you get here? X squared. Well, 2x and 2x is 4x. And 2 times 2 is 4. What do you get here? You're going to get x squared plus, well, 1x and 1x is 2x, and 1 times 1 is 1. What do you get on the right side? X squared minus 4. I'm going to simplify. You get x squared. There's 2 of them. 1, 2. There's going to be 6 of these, plus 6x. And 4 plus 1 is 5. And that equals x squared minus 4. What am I going to do now? Subtract x squared from both sides. And I'm going to add 4 to both sides. What do you get? Let's take a look at that. You get x squared plus 6x. And let's see. You know what? I was daydreaming there. I know it's going to be a 9 there. I did it again. Let me correct that. I said I was adding 4 to both sides. Now, in my mind, I say my little mind, by the way, 5 plus 4 is 9, and that's why I wrote a 9 over there. I was thinking in advance. But anyway, that's a bad thing to be doing. And what do you get there? You get plus 9 equals, that's going to be 0. 0 product rule. I'm going to say this looks like x plus 3 times x plus 3. What do you get there? Well, x could be minus 3, or x could be minus 3. It's actually repeated, by the way. Let's not worry so much about that. Let's just simply say it's x equals minus 3. Put a box in that. Look at the key, and x minus 3. Now, someone says, why are you doing this up here? I just want to make sure whatever answer I do get is not in that list, because if it is, I can't put that down. All right, let's go to the next question. Thank you.